Good morning, my students. We are going to make a review for the class of phonics today. On page 58, we are going to review the sounds of the vowels, okay? We have been studying this long, so we are just going to review them, okay? Vamos a hacer un repaso acerca de los sonidos de los vocales que hemos estado estudiando. Recuerden, remember, long line means long sound. Half a moon means short, okay? So we have bay, fi, lay, fa, ti, do, te, day, lie, you, vai, gi, row, say, ro, so, new, see, new, zoo. Excellent. So let's go with the words. Let's go with the words right now. So remember, short sound, long sound, and we eliminate the E because it's silent. At 8. At 8. Heat. High. Heat. High. Beat. Bite. Beat. Bite. John. Jane. John. Jane. Cat. Beef. Cat. Beef. Duck. Game. Duck. Game. Jet. Kite. Jet. Kite. Lead. Rule. Lead. Rule. Moot. Coat. Moot. Coat. Excellent. So let's follow. Polite. 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 Tadpole. 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 Tulip. Tulip. Teapot. 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 One more time. Polite. 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 Tadpole. 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 Tulip. 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 Teapot. 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 Great, good job, sweeties. Excelente trabajo, mis niños dulces. Okay, so let's continue. Remember that in language we have seen that to make a plural noun we add an s, ¿verdad? En language estudiamos que para hacer un plural para hacer un noun, de forma plural le agregamos una s en algunos casos, ¿ok? Entonces, ahorita vamos a estudiar cómo suena la palabra con una s al final, ¿ok? So we have cats. Remember, plural means more than one. Recuerden, plural significa más de uno, ¿verdad? Cats, cats, cats. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Very good. Recuerden, plural significa más de uno. Okay, so let's continue with the reading. Jets, jets, jets. Rocks, rocks, rocks. Cans, cans, cans. Bins, bins, bins. Zips, zips, zips. Makes, makes, makes. Nets, 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 rakes, 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 dolls, 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 bucks, 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 holes, 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 holes. Great job, sweeties. So let's continue with the reading of the sentences. We are going to use the side word to, number 2, okay? So let's see. Dad has 2 bikes. Dad has 2 bikes. Dad has 2 bikes. Papá tiene 2 bicicletas. Dick and Dad will ride. 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 Dick y papá van a montar. Dick rides well. Dick rides well. Dick rides well. Dick rides well. Dick monta muy bien. Excellent. So please continue working and continue repeating. Okay, continue practicing, okay? Continúen practicando, repitiendo, porque eso es lo que les va a hacer que se recuerden cuáles son los sonidos largos y cortos en las palabras. Recuerden, la práctica hace el maestro. Ustedes pueden. You can do it. You can do it. Remember that you can do it. Goodbye.